Hey kids, Quiz Bear is back. Ready to test your brain? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quiz Bear for more exciting math quizzes. Alright, let's start with the easy level. Spot on. Nice and easy. Good start. Bingo. Too easy for you. Piece of cake. Correct. Got it right. Simple as that. Warm-up complete. Well done. Way to go. Sharp mind. Quick thinking. Great job. Smooth calculation. Keep it up. You got this. Swift and accurate. Halfway there. Impressive. Brilliant logic. You nailed it. Nailed it instantly. Crushed it. Math whiz. Mastered it. Flawless execution. Code cracked. Top-tier brain. Unstoppable. Mind-blowing. Phenomenal. Math wizard. 10 out of 10. Out of this world. Outplayed the math. Absolute genius. Boom, bullseye. Checkmate. Faster than a calculator. Pure magic. Smashed the impossible. On absolute fire. Next level thinking. Legendary status. God level brain. Unbelievable solve. GO8T level. You are untouchable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this math challenge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math quizzes and brain-boosting challenges. See you in the next video.